What is that noise? What the fuck is that noise? Well, it sounds like it has something to do with your acceleration.
Is that my brakes dying?
No, it has to be your like all-wheel drive thing or your transmission. It's been going on for a long time.
Metal rubbing. So my brakes.
Your brakes, but the brakes were not. That's so bad.
Still recording.